Hello, today is Monday, August 24th of 2020. Today we are going to define and review Story 3, vocabulary words, and read the story. Our guiding question is, what are some realistic jobs? Our do now is going to be a vocational question of the day. And remember, camera on, mics on mute, and ready to learn. So let's start. Our do now is our vocational question of the day. Do you like to work with food? I love food. I love to work with food. Alrighty, so we're going to start with our story 3, titled Your Outlook Matters. In this story, 4 friends meet people who work in realistic job career paths. By the end of the story, we will be able to identify what is a realistic job. Realistic careers are hands-on jobs where people assemble things, repair things, or solve problems with machines. Realistic jobs tend to be practical and/or mechanical. Now we're going to review some of our vocabulary words for story 3. First vocabulary word, outlook. How a person sees things. Vocabulary word number 2, realistic. Able to see things as they really are or doing hands-on work. Realistic. Vocabulary word number 3, IT. Work that involves computers. Stands for information technology. IT. Vocabulary word number 4, chef. The main cook in a restaurant who decides what to make. Chef. Let's do our exit ticket. Question number 1. What does realistic mean? Working with computers? How a person sees things? Or able to see things as they really are or doing hands-on work? Great job! The correct answer is able to see things as they really are or doing hands-on work. Realistic. Next question. Choose the correct vocabulary word. Work that involves computers. Stands for information technology. Great job! The correct answer is IT. It is work that involves computers, and it stands for information technology. Great job! Well done! We have finished today's lesson. See you later!